Alright, so today we're learning how to do an oil change. Right here, we have the oil filter. This is what we're replacing, put a new one in. This is what we use to take off the oil filter. You turn it, tightens onto it. We got the oil, obviously. Parts, we have the drain pan. We got gloves. We got the walker, so you could just crawl under. Let's go over here. Alright, in here, we got where the oil goes, right in here. And then we have the dipstick right here. So we could check how much oil's in it. Alright, are you going under with me? Let me get you the other paper or a towel. Right here we have a socket and a socket set, so we can take off the bolt underneath. How's the light? That's good? I know. Oh well, I can't see shit. Let me get the drop. Let's see. Is it right in?
That might be it right there.
Oh shit, that's a big pan. Alright, so we put the drain pan underneath so all the oil will fall out into it. We grab whatever size socket we need with a ratchet. Watch out, because you're probably going to get oil on you.
Ready for the mother load.
Alright.
Oh!
There we go. We just wait until it drains out. Put the bolt where you know where it is. Sean, you want to get the towels? Look how dirty that is. When it's black like this, you know you need an oil change.
Don't that look scrumptious?
If you taste it, it tastes like bacon.
I've done it.
You gotta take the dipstick out too, right?
The dipstick is out. It's already popped out.
Alright, I took the cap off.
Alright. Usually I dry off if there's any gunk on it. Just dry the stuff off.